Hello, Sito, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, Gopi. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah,
Uh, Please switch on your camera, please.
yeah, I on. Can you able to see?
Yes. So thanks, Gopi. Hi, this is Shekhar Pangale from Deloitte. I will be taking technical round for SAP FICO.
Okay.
Yeah. So Gopi, can you please quickly walk through your CV and introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, Sekhar. I'm having total 8.8 years of experience. Relevant is 5.8 years of experience, and I'm having domain of 3 years of experience. And like coming to the my clients and the companies, first I started out my career like in the throughput technologies where my our client is Virlia environment. There I worked on the implementation on ECC, and then I moved to the Wipro. In Wipro, I worked on the support project, and our client is Philips. And then I worked on the Capgemini and Deloitte, and also previously I worked on the Deloitte US. Okay, Deloitte US, I worked on the semiconductor project. It's a rollout project under the manager is Gali Srinivas. Okay. Then I moved to Fujitsu. In the Fujitsu, I worked on the implementation project on S4HANA. It's a Prima Meat Packers, our client. Coming to roles and responsibilities, where I involved in like my implementation and rollout projects. Like I worked on the GL, CP, AR, like asset accounting, and also involved in the some CEO side. Like coming to the steps, I worked on the APP accounts in accounts payable APP, and I worked on the Dunning, and also like I worked on the like the DMU procedures and the foreign currency. I worked on foreign currency revolution, and I worked on the banking like the EBS electronic bank statement, and I also worked on the search string, so for the search string mappings and the search string rule and defining search strings. And like I also worked on the FIMM integration and FISD integration. And like coming to the interface, yes, I worked on the interfaces like for the FuelSoft interface, we have a FuelSoft third party system interface. Um, and coming to the like CO part, I worked on the like the cost of goods sold split. We have a splitting of cost of goods sold COGS split, and like I worked on the assessment and distribution, and I worked on the UC settlement. So like cost centrifusion and profit center. So this is the from the CO side. Yeah, this is my roles in the implementer side. And coming to the support, as I work on the like support, like solving the tickets, like day-to-day tickets, and guiding the users for the user guidance errors and all. So yeah, this is my about me. Second.
Okay. Yeah. So Gopi, before we proceed further, can you put your ID?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Gopi, I understand that you have total 8.8 years of experience, right? Out of which 3 years is in domain,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, second. Yeah.
Okay, so the rest of the 5 years experience is in SAP functional,
Yes,
correct?
in SAP concern. In FI.
Okay. And what is your current organization?
My current is Fujitsu.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay. And earlier you have worked on Deloitte, right? So this is your second stint in Deloitte, right?
Yes, and then I worked on the Deloitte. Our client is like I worked on the project, semiconductor project. It's a rollout project, and our like manager
Mhm.
is Gali Srinivas.
Okay. So is it Deloitte USA or Deloitte India?
It's a Deloitte US.
Okay.
Yeah, I think maybe you can know
So
maybe manager.
any specific reason you are for Deloitte?
Any specific reason for deploy?
Any reason looking for another opportunity with Deloitte? What kind of opportunity? Oh,
Yeah, yes. See, I already joined in the Deloitte. Okay, and at the time of the like second corona wave in the June month, my father got expired. So then I went to my hometown. I quit the job and I went to home and taking care of my family problem due to father expiring immediately. So then I quit it Deloitte. But he said Deloitte is a very good company, and like coming to the SFE field, Deloitte is now there are so many multiple projects under the Deloitte and like most of the implementations are doing the Deloitte. I already worked for 6 months, so I have a experience of Deloitte company, like how the Deloitte is growth and everything, like in the yeah, the big four company is a very big four company, one of the good company in the project Deloitte. So this is the reason I am looking again to join the Deloitte project, Deloitte company. And also like whenever you can see that they come to like central finance, mostly it's coming to the Deloitte's projects. So yeah, this is the good reason I'm choosing Deloitte again.
Okay. And how many total in your 5 years of experience, how many implementation, rollout, and support you have done?
I have worked on two implementation, one in ACS and one in S4HANA, and two support projects and one rollout project.
Sorry, hello.
Yeah, two
Can you hear
impl-
me?
two implementation projects, two support projects, and one rollout project.
So two rollout and two implementations.
Yes,
Okay. It is ECC or
implementation.
S4HANA?
One is in S4HANA and one in ECC.
Okay. And have you done your recipe certification?
Yeah, yes, I am certified S4HANA consultant 2021. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, super.
Yeah. And what are the different areas and things you have worked on?
Different areas, as I told my roles, like I worked on like accounts payable, like APP. I worked on like planning. I have worked, and also like in asset accounting. Also I involved. I worked on the asset accounting as well, and like I have worked on the interface with the FuelSoft. There is third party tool FuelSoft. I worked on the interface as well. So and also I worked on FIM integration and FIST integration. Like for the also as a CO part, like I worked on the goods split, COGS split, and also I worked on like
Have you worked
such
on
string, such
costing?
EBS and such string.
Hello?
Yeah, yes,
Have you
sir.
worked on product costing?
No, product costing and I did not work in. Just like the splitting the goods, we'll maintain the
And
offset.
COPA? What about COPA?
Copa, I'm not worked on it. Just little bit awareness of that because as I worked on the splitting the goods. I've not worked on Copa.
Okay. But any idea how what is the new features in COPA in SAP S4HANA?
Idea is like I am aware of that. We have to first maintain like the for the Copa. You have to also activate the Copa. Okay, like the then you have to maintain the derivation rules for that, like in the KEDRs, like we have a derivation rule for the customers and the profit centers. Based on that rule, Copa goods, Copa will get split the entries will come to the Copa. But not I'm not much that much awareness of that Copa and product costing.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
like
what is your qualification?
my qualification was MBA.
And what is graduation?
Graduation was BCom.
From India Finance. Is
Yes,
it a full time?
yeah, all are full time.
Okay. And do you have India localization experience?
No, I don't have the local experience. I didn't. As of now, my all clients and projects are like outside countries. Like when Fujitsu sits for Japanese, and for the others are also like Europe countries. I don't have any local project. I cannot work on any local project.
Okay, but any idea how it's a configuration for tax is, right? Can you please bring me all the steps how the tax configuration is done in SAP?
Yeah, like coming to like the tax configuration. Okay, first like in the we have to define the tax bill for the country. tax procedures for the countries. Then you have to define the tax codes in the FTXP. Okay, in the FTXP, we will define the tax codes. Then we will assign the GL
No, so
accounts.
sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. If you can explain me step by step. Let's say we are doing implementation for the fresh client, right? We don't have everything set up. So how will you start? Can you please explain me along with the T code the step by step?
T code for the, yeah. Then we'll define the tax codes in the FTXP. Okay. Then we'll need to
No,
assign.
no. FTX before we sorry before FTX the creation is taxation is and
Yes.
what is the first step we do for the tax setup?
For tax setup, see, first you have to define the tax procedure for the country, and then you have to activate it.
How do we define the tax procedure?
Defining that we have like the in the starting the path, we have that path and not know the equal for that. We have that path to go that, and then you have to select our countries, and then you have to assign that countries. So countries which already they have the we have whichever country you have to select that country and assign to our company codes.
Okay, so can you please finish the path how it is done?
Path exactly, I'm not sure the path actually, and don't remembering that exact path names.
Okay. What is the table we use for the transaction data?
For the table, yes, table level in Esperanto, we can, as I told you, we have a change like here we have a like universal table AC Doka, and also like all the tables are like the BSEC and all tables are also available. We can able to view the transaction data in BSEC also. Yes, the both the tables we
OP,
can.
can you please remove your mic and can you please
Yeah, yes, second.
I am enter you in the speaker mode please.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So can you please explain me what are the differences between ECC and S4HANA from finance perspective?
Yeah, finance perspective, first the differences are like coming to the first GLs, we have a year difference. Previously, we are having the difference like we are creating the GL accounts. Okay, and we have a like the cost elements also separate, and but here in Esperana we are creating the cost elements also in the part of the GL accounts. Okay, and here also we have like the GL account types. We have five times in Esperana they have introduced like the balance sheet account, the P&L account, and also like the cash account and non-operating expense account, and like the primary cost and the revenue account and the secondary cost accounts. And in previously in ECC we are having only from P&L and balance sheet accounts. And also here in GL account like comes to control tabs, we have all the line item displays, but in Esperana all are into the line item displays. And also here we have an option like open item for the ledger. For ledger specific open items, you can select the tick box in the Esperana. And coming to the AP and AR, previously we were creating the vendors and customers separately, but here SAP introduced the business partner concept, BP. Once you create the BP, and then you can extend it from the BP to the either customer or the vendors. Then also like coming to the asset accounting. In asset accounting, we have like major changes like in asset they have introduced the technical clearing account to easily reconcile the asset acquisition and all. To easily reconcile the asset accounting, they have introduced the technical clearing account. And also here they have and there is no plan and run and repeat run in the Esperana. Previously in ECC we were having the plan and run and restart run. Here all are real time run only in Esperana. And coming to the table levels we are having the,
Sorry. How do we create house bank in S4HANA?
yeah, that's what I'm coming. Next to the banking, we have a tiles to create the banking. So House bank, the previously in ECC were creating FI12, but in here it is not allowed to create the FI12. It last client is not modifiable, but in we can able to create in the Firoe tiles. We have a maintain house banks and manage bank accounts tiles. Here we will create the house banks and the bank accounts.
Okay.
These are the changes.
And any you work on APP?
Yes, I worked on APP. Like I work on
So
the
can you
APP
handle
configuration.
down payments in APP?
Yes, we can able to maintain the down payments. Like in the payment methods in the country, we have a special GL, special ledger. Okay, special GL ledger. We have to give those special GL accounts. Okay, like special GL, like first year for down payments, we first will create the special GLs like EA and all. Okay, and that we have to in the payment methods in the country we have to give that special GLs. So once you give like the special GLs accounting like A and F, if you activate here, then you can make the down payment also through APP
Okay.
like the special GL accounts.
Mhm. How price difference is posted in SAP?
Yeah, like price difference. Like when we do the three-way match from PO to goods and invoice receipt, the three-way match and that time of the invoice receipt, if you have received the price difference. Okay, this price difference amount also, like we have two types, like the moving average price and the standard price difference. So we have a transaction key called PRD. So in the PRD, OBOC, in the OBOC configuration, we maintain GL accounts for this PRD. And based on this transaction key PRD, the system will pick the price difference GL account, it will post to the price difference. Like coming to the invoice, like suppose a vendor account, the we have price difference account means then GRIR clearing account data to price difference account data to vendor account.
Can you please tell me the accounting entry?
Yeah,
Suppose if I'm standard price S as a price control indicator, right? Material price is 100 rupees, PO price is 120 rupees. And what would be the accounting entry of GRI?
yeah. For this is in the standard, the accounting entry is GRIR clearing account 100, debit price difference account 20 to vendor account 120. It is in the standard price. Coming to the moving average price. Suppose moving average price, how much we have issued to the goods. Suppose half we have issued means that 60, then it will come to the 10 rupees only. The 20 rupee difference, right? 10 only will come half. So then GRIR clearing account that debit to price difference of 10 rupees debit to vendor account.
No, but how vendor account will come in the picture of the goods receipt? I want accounting entry for GRI.
Okay, so in, sorry, goods receipt. No, okay. I thought you gave, given me the amount, right? 120. So that's the reason. So
No, no,
in,
no, no. I give you the amount 100 rupees is the material price, 120 rupees is the PO price. What would be the accounting entry of GRI?
yeah, for the goods receipt time, there is no account, there is no price difference accounting entry as at the time of which is for the price difference. See, at the time of the goods receipt, we will check the quantity.
Are you sure? Are you sure if standard price you don't have price difference at the time of goods receipt?
Yeah, see, at the time of the goods receipt, we don't know the invoice amount, right? So, as I'm sure that at the time of the goods receipt, if you have a any goods difference, then we will difference interest will come. But if it is a different, once we receive the invoice, at the time of the invoice, we got to know how much is the difference, the price. As you I told, three-way match will do first with the goods with the GRIR, then by the time the invoice receipt, we will check the price difference. Yes, I'm sure for this. If it is a price difference, we'll post at the time of the invoice level, price level. As also I told,
No,
standard.
but I'm asking only for standard price. I'm not asking for invoice. We haven't received the invoice.
Yeah, if you have not received the invoice, Yeah, then it's that's what I told. If you're not receiving the invoice, then we will at the time of the goods receipt we have a accounting entry. Like price difference as it will come price difference. Like as I told from here like inventory account data to price difference account like 20 rupees, then a GRIR clearing account to 100 rupees.
And how this price difference will be loaded to inventory?
Yeah, see, price difference will not load to the inventory as okay because of this price PRD account, it will go to the price difference account. Okay, and as I told, then GRR clearing account will clear the GRR clearing
No, but my business will be interested to keep this
into the inventory. Yes.
load this load to the inventory in the month end, right? You will not keep in the P&L forever. So how will you load this price difference to the inventory?
Provide this price difference, we have to move to inventory means uh, in the month and I'm not sure exactly like how we move, but in yeah, this, for moving this to inventory, I'm not aware of that.
Okay.
But in the month end,
Have
I'm
you worked
aware
on
we'll work
have
on
you
like
worked on
GRR
rising
clearing.
objects?
What is rise up objects?
Hmm?
Yeah, rise up objects. Yes, as I told, I worked on the interface and also I worked on the like enhancements. Okay,
Let's consider an example. Suppose my clients wants to develop a new report.
okay,
Okay, vendor aging report. Okay, I
okay.
have entered company code, vendor code, and date of the selection screen, right? And
Yes,
based on that, you want to develop a vendor aging report which shows the vendor outstanding invoice details and the aging bracket.
yes,
Right? Can you please help me to logic logic
yes. Like
report?
coming to the vendor aging reports, suppose as per the SAP standard, we have aging report of like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. But if the clients want to make it like the 10 days or the 15 days aging report, okay. So first year you have to take the all the open items. We have to take it and also you have to take the tables in the BSIK and BSAD. Okay, tables the data for like all the supply vendors open items and the clear items. Will take it the data BSIK and BSAD and then we'll give it to the we'll see it to the developers and we'll explain them this is the procedures we have
Is the BS is it for vendor or customer?
for vendor BSIK.
Which table you mentioned? Can you please come again?
BSIK for vendor supplier BSIK.
And which table we put but let's suppose time for me, the 3rd of October. Okay.
Okay,
If I want to run a vendor aging report for August, can we run it?
vendor aging report for August. Yeah, yes, we can run it for the August month aging report.
So if any items open in August, it has been featured subsequently in September or October,
Yes,
right?
yes.
How will you fetch that line item basically for this report purpose?
For exactly for this report purpose, you have to filter out the dates for like the up to August month you have to take. If you take as the present date, maybe in the middle it should be make payment has been done and it should have went to cleared item. So for August month you have to take to the up to the 31st of the August. Then it will show it as a open items in the August month.
Which table will you use to pick up this data for the
Like
case which I given?
yeah, like for BSIK.
But DSIT is for the open items, na?
Yes,
That
open
open
items.
item has been cleared subsequently in September or October.
Yeah,
Which table?
for BSIK for open items and for cleared items it's BSIK. BSAK. A
Okay.
is for cleared items and I
Okay,
for
but for this aging report, how will you pick up the due date? How will you calculate the due date of this open
yeah,
items?
yeah, and also yeah, due dates we will calculate the due dates based on the payment terms. Okay, we use the payment terms for the vendors. We have like the normal payment terms and the installment payment terms. Okay, based on the payment term, the due date will pick. Like you have either the document date wise or the baseline date wise. If you have a due dates, okay, like payment terms like all 30 days or 15 days, 60 days, how many payment terms. So based on the payment terms, due date will be calculated. Once the due date is completed, suppose payment terms 30, you are given 30 means they will up to 30 days. After the 30 days, the aging day will start calculating.
Okay. I just need a couple of information from you, Gopi. What is your last working day?
My last working day was 10th of May in Pujisu.
10th of May.
Yes.
Okay. And so you are immediate joiner,
Yes, I'm immediate joiner.
right?
Yes.
So currently you are not working.
No, currently I'm not working. After I left the company, I went hometown and I came and I started searching. And I got one offer from the boss and I kept it. Presently, they given the joining date on December month. So I'm looking for other opportunities also.
Which company? From Bosch you have the offer, right?
Robot boss, yes.
And how much is the offer?
They offer they given me the 20 lakhs.
Fixed CTC.
Yeah, fixed of 20 lakhs and they have a variable of online.
And what was your current CTC?
My current CTC fixed is 17.5 and there is no variable in the position.
Okay. And what is your current location?
My current location it is in Bangalore, which is I think it's in near to the Deloitte company, DB3 Technopolis. Hello.
Okay. Mhm. And are you flexible for traveling?
Yes, I'm flexible for travel like any location like Pune and Hyderabad, any location is okay. And
And
also
what is your current position in Fujitsu?
my current position in Fujitsu is like a functional consultant designation.
No, no, functional consultant is not a position. I am
Yeah,
asking
yeah,
position.
yeah. Position. See, they are giving first as a associate consultant. Then we have like the functional associate functional consultant. Then we have consultant. Like
So
I
you are
told,
consultant, right?
yeah, consultant. In Deloitte, it was consultant. Yes.
No, no. At Fujitsu, what is your current designation?
Yeah. In Fujitsu also they given the same designation as a consultant. But in Fujitsu they were calling as a associate functional consultant.
Are you aware of technical things like BAPI, BADI, DTE?
Yeah. So like for I'm aware of that. Like for BAPI, as I told, I worked on the interface. Through BAPI, we can post the journal entries. Like we have a multi-journal files and like single journal files. If you are uploaded there,
Which BAPI?
we are using on multi-program journal files. So these journal files like
Can you please tell me the name of the BAPI, please?
Puppy name exactly, I don't know that, but it will come to the through IDOC that will come the file, and from that IDOC that puppy will pick the file and it will post a journal entry like for journal files. As you have just given the from our functional side, the journal files preparation journal entries how should post. Then developers they have, through BAPI they did it, but exact details of the BAPI I don't know.
Any specific reason for job change?
Specific region means yes, I'm looking with the good opportunities with the like good organizations, and also like for honestly I'm speaking, it will help to my career growth, um, as well as package increase everything. As honestly speaking, like my career growth.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thanks. Thanks, Gopi, for your time.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you
you,
so much.
Sekar. Yeah, thank you.
Thank
And I
you.
just
Bye
want
bye.
to ask one question. It's for project specific or how this hiring is going?
No, we are looking for overall basically. It's not for purchase.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Sekar. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
ఈ థీమ్ అనేది నాకు డౌట్ వచ్చింది అనుకున్నాను. ఈ థీమ్ బాగా క్లారిటీగా చూపించాను అది అందుకని అడుగుతున్నాడు.
ఏమవుతుంటారు అన్న?
చెప్పలేను, అయిపోయింది. ఎక్కువ బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగిండు, కొన్ని
వాడికి యాక్చువల్గా మధ్య డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
ఏ?
మధ్య డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
అదే డౌట్
ఏం చేస్తున్నాడంటే ఇట్లా అడ్డం పెట్టుకుంటున్నాడు, రోడ్డుకి అడ్డం పెట్టేసుకున్నాడు పూర్తిగా.
అదే లాస్ట్ లో కూడా చాలా డౌట్ ఉన్నాయి. డౌట్ వచ్చింది లాస్ట్ లో కూడా.
లాస్ట్ టైం వచ్చింది తమ్ముడు.
అడగలు బట్టి నాకు ఎదురు నీకు డౌట్
డీటెయిల్స్ అని మాస్ కార్డు సంబంధించి అడిగినది.
ఇవన్నీ అడిగే డౌట్ వస్తుంది.
లేదు
మైనస్ డౌట్ చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుంది. ఆన్సర్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళు సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యారు.
ఎవరైనా ఎంబీఏ కంప్లీట్ అయింది, ఏ పాస్ అవుట్ ఇవన్నీ అడుగుతారు మామూలుగా.
ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి ఏంది చెప్తాడు.
అంతే కదా ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంట్రీ ఏంటి చెప్పండి.
నువ్వు చెప్పు.
ఏది మామూలుగా
జిఆర్ఐఆర్ క్లీనింగ్ అకౌంట్ అన్నట్టు ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్స్ అకౌంట్ అన్నట్టు వెండర్ అకౌంట్.
ఏ దానికి అది ఇన్వాయిస్ రిసిప్ట్కా? ఇన్వాయిస్ రిసిప్ట్ కదా, ఎవరు అడిగింది గూడ్స్ రిసిప్ట్ కదా.
ఆ తర్వాత నాకు ఫస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, ప్రైస్ ఇచ్చినా నేను ఫస్ట్ ఇన్వాయిస్ రిసిప్ట్ అనుకున్నాను. గూడ్స్ రిసిప్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది, దానికి ఆపోజిట్ వస్తుంది.
ఆపోజిట్ వస్తుంది.
ఏ మళ్ళీ ఒకటి
ఏంటి ఇన్వెంటరీ అకౌంట్ అన్నట్టు
ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్స్
కరెంట్
అకౌంట్
అయ్యేది
పెట్టు,
కరెంట్ అయ్యేది నువ్వు సంథింగ్ చెప్పావు, రిప్లేస్ జనరేట్ అప్లోడ్
వాడు అందుకే ఆడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేసాక వాడు అందుకే ఫలా దానికి తిరిగి వాడే అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఎంట్రీ ఎందుకు ఎంట్రీ 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 అంటున్నాడు.
కరెంట్
వాడు స్టాండర్డ్
చెప్పావు ఏ కదా
75 చెప్పిన
వాడు గూడ్స్ రిసిప్ట్ వాడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్
రాస్తుంది కదా ఆల్రెడీ క్లియర్ గా 10 లక్షలని.
సరే సరే దానికి ఏమవుతుంది.
అయినా అదే
ఏమన్నా ఏం చేస్తారంట
ఏ పాజిటివ్ గానే ఉంది.
మరి మళ్ళీ సార్ బాస్ వచ్చి ఆఫర్ అయ్యేంత ప్యాకేజ్ ఇది అని
అయ్యి చెప్పు, లోడే చెప్పకూడదా? లోడే ఓకే